excellent introduction of our laser product, laser marking machine.
Next, I will introduce about our company and today's product. You can see on the screen. I will introduce our company first. Our company's name is Shenyang Faith Technology Ltd. We are a high-tech enterprise. Integrates independent research and development, production, sales, and service. We specialized in providing industrial cooling technology and traceable system solutions. Our company was founded in 2010 with 30 team members and a 500 square meters workshop. By 2012, we have already, after more than 10 years of persistent efforts, our team has grown to include 200 team members and a 2,000 square meters workshop. Our main products include a CIJ printer, a TIJ printer, laser marking machines, and other related products such as conveyor belts and paging machine, and so on. This is our history. Our company was established in 2010, and in 2012 we launched our first CIJ printer. After 1 year, we upgraded the production workshops. In 2015, we launched our first laser marking machine. After another year, we obtained some certificates like CE, RHS, and ISO. In 2017, we launched the first encryption chip printer. In 2018, we took part in the Hong Kong Packaging Machinery exhibition. Until 2022, by this year, we have already exported to over 126 countries, and we have more than 200,000 users. Yes. Here are some of our certificates: ISO, RHS, CE for laser machines.
This is the basic condition of
Yes.
customer experience. Because different country will have the different requirement.
Yes. And we also have after sales service. We have a professional team. We have about 20 professional engineers for the after sales service. If you have any problem, you got the machines, you can contact us and we will solve your problem. The machine's warranty, most machines warranty is about 2 years.
Yeah,
Right?
2 years.
We have 24 hours online service.
Yeah. You could find us on our Alibaba store or other channel. You could send us by the WeChat or the WhatsApp,
Yes.
or send us the email, and we will give the feedback. And 2 years warranties.
Yes, 2 years.
What can we do to our customer?
If you have any technical or some questions about the machines, you can contact us anytime. Next page. There are some reasons why you choose experience in the field of the laser marking machines and coding machine. We have 126 countries exported, and we have over 200,000 global users. The machines have 2 years warranty. We have 16 quality certificates. We have 200 team members, and we have 20 professional engineers.
Yes, do you know that before all the goods be shipped, we will test the machine one by
Yes.
one. Workshop, all the machine will be turned on and will run for a long time. If the machine have no problem, we can send them out.
Yes. We need to make sure first that the machine is all well done, so we will ship out.
So make sure you receive our machine. It must be a durable one.
Yes. We can see the photos. There are some customers visit us, and we took part in some exhibitions. The customers are from, where are they from? It's your customers
Yeah, India.
from India.
Yeah.
These two from Africa,
Zambia.
Pakistan. You know, we always took part in some exhibitions about the coding machines.
But now, for the reason of the coronavirus, some customer want to visit us that can't go to China.
Yes.
Okay? But I think it will come soon in a short time.
Next page, there are some kinds of the laser machines for the production line. You can choose the flying. And if some customers want the machines with a laptop, you can choose the bunch up model. This one is the desktop fiber laser marking machine. There is a laptop laser machine. And the big cabinet, there are laser source, power supply, and the memory inside, right? This is the split fiber laser marking machine. The model is a PL130 split model. And this is the enclosed model. It's a fiber laser marking machine also. These two are very light and portable. If you don't have, if you want a light and less shipping cost, you can choose one of them. This one, same.
Yeah, the same. The same time. Yeah.
This one is the UV laser marking machine. There is a, what you call it?
Cooling water. Yeah. Cooling water.
What?
Water cooling.
It's a water cooling chemical. This is a it's a handheld fiber laser marking machine.
PL600.
PL600.
But we have a new type.
Mm.
I think in 1 month, we will have a portable handheld laser.
It's smaller.
Yeah, smaller and portable. Because the weight for this one, for the PL600, is about 25 kilograms.
Yeah.
It's still very heavy for
Yes.
portable laser. So we developed a new type, a green one. Do you see it?
Yes. Yes.
Very beautiful, very beautiful.
It's small and much easier to move.
So by then we will release the news, and please pay attention to our store.
Yes.
Okay? And this part of the online laser marking machine online. We have the fiber. This is the fiber flying machine, and the CO2 laser machine, and the UV laser machine. Okay? And the different laser are suitable for the different materials. And today's topic, what is it?
The desktop PL100.
Yeah, today we will give a introduction on the
we will introduce the P1.
Yeah. We'll give you the introduction of the two types. Oh no. This one. Three types. Three types. And this one.
I will introduce this one first.
Okay.
This is one of our hot selling portable fiber laser marking machine. It's very small and light. The net weight of it is only 25 kilograms. Very easy to move. And all the material of the shelves are aluminum. It's strong and anti-interference. This part is the main cabinet. Here is the working bench. You can see there are many holes on the working bench, so you can fix your position board. You can fix your position board on it, so to make the product fixed. Inside the main cabinet, there are power supply, laser source, and a main board inside it. So the upper one is the lifting bracket. You can change the height of the focus through adjusting the bracket. Here is the field line, and the upper is the galvanometer. So the laser source will come to the galvanometer through the what do you call it?
Yeah.
Fiber path on the path. So that's all the parts of the machine.
The main part is the laser source. The laser source is very important. It can determine the lifetime of the whole machine and the performance and the printing quality. Very important part. And we have two kinds of the laser source: the Chinese laser source and the Germany laser source.
Yes.
For China, in China, the famous brand is Ricoh. The first big company, Ricoh, and the same level, Max. They are all very famous brand of the laser source. And we also have another famous brand called JPT. In some countries, JPT is very famous because the JPT have a very famous product. You know.
Yes, Mocha.
Yeah, only the JPT MOPA laser source is very famous. It can mark the color object on the stained steels. And for the common laser, five laser, we use Ricoh and Max. And you could also use JPT. Yeah. We can make the OEM production according to your requirement. So if you what do you want? What do you want? Just tell me. Just each point, and we will make the drawing and make according to our drawing, one by one. And this part, there are some interface in the cabinet. For this part, is the USB part. Because this machine don't have computer, I mean the industrial control system. So all the five lasers must be controlled by the PC or the laptop. So we have to link the machine to our laptop, and the laptop will install the Windows operation system, Windows 7, Windows 10.
I don't know.
With switch, just a switch, will be operating machine, and here will be the switch on the floor. When I step on it, the machine will start to mark. It is a principle. So, just like Kyla said, this is the most favorite machine, the PL130. And the similar one, we have this type. The PL135. Yeah. This machine very similar to the right one. What's the difference? You know?
There's a screen.
Not only a screen. In fact, it's a computer. And here is the drawer. In the drawer is a small keyboard. And in the first panel, we have the USB interface with to the link the mouse and other equipment to the USB interface. And all the function of PL130 we have. The only difference for the two machines is the computer. That's why. And the third one, the PL100. The big size machine. It has the same structure of this 2-1. But the only difference is the desktop line. And the weight of this machine is very big, about 160 kilograms. Very heavy. So if customer need the machine, it can be only transport by sea. But for this 2-1, we can send by air. Okay? So if you want to need our machine urgently, you could purchase the 2-1s. And the next we will do a marking process for PL100. For the three machine, that one a portable one without computer, and the PL135, this one, it has a computer in the front and this is the computer. But for this side, it has all. The computer, the laser source, the three machines are almost the same. Only the company shape is different. First, turn on the power of the laser source. Next, turn on the computer switch. Kayla,
Yes.
do you know which part can be customized for the laser?
The field line. Field line can be customized of different size.
And others?
And
Max and JPT, We can also use the Gemini MPG because different customer will have the different requirement. Okay? And for the computer, we can change the configuration. And for the galvanometer, we use for the static one, we can use the high-speed galvanometer. And the fuel length, the black one, we call it the fuel length. What's the function of the fuel length?
It determines the marking size.
A printing rate, yeah. What's the range?
It's from the minimum from 70 millimeters to 500 millimeters.
7 by 7 centimeter, and max to 40 centimeter. Some foreign will think the bigger the better, right?
No.
The bigger the printing range, and the weaker the laser. That's the relation. The bigger the printing range, the weaker the laser. And the smaller the printing range, the stronger the laser. Okay? It's the field length. And the machine also have the bracket, the up and down brackets. We use the bracket to adjust the focus, to let the object get the strongest power. Very important. Here is the drawing.
How many watts of operation?
How many? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kinds of the power. And 10 watt, 20 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, 100 watt, and 200 watt. For the 200 watt, it's a strong laser.
Can cut.
Maybe. We could try it. But the price for the 10 watts and the 20 watts almost the same. So almost nobody will choose 10 watts. That's the reason we don't sell 10 watts, but we have this type. For this machine, we install the Windows 7 operation and the marking program.
What's the software name?
EZCAP 2.0 version.
It's free for all the customers who purchase the
It
machine.
must be free. For this machine, for the PL100, we can install the software. But for this one, there is the PL100. That one. For this one, we will send you a UDIS. It has a laser driver and a marking software. So you could install the software to your laptop.
After you got the machine, if you have any question about the software, you can solve by video or photo, or you can teach them how to use it.
Many customers receive our machine and they come to use it. They know how to operate it. It's normal. But operation is very, very simple.
Yes. Don't worry, we will teach you.
So first you will get the video, get an operation video. At the same time you get a machine.
It's with the machine.
Yeah. And then you could see the video to learn how to operate. And very easy to operate, just like the software of Office.
Is it English language?
Yeah, must be English language. Not only English language, it has the Arabic, Korean, Japanese, Spanish, and Russian, and many kinds of the language. Almost all the people in the world can use our machine. Now we launch the software in the CAD, and then there are some buttons. There are some buttons on the machine. What I need to do? We could draw some shape, square, the round one. We could draw some shape and mark it. That's the first function. Let's delete it. And we can mark the character by input what we want to print. Okay, just include some character. And we could also include the PNG picture. You could also mark the photo, your photo on any matrix. For example, beautiful girl. And we could also import the vector picture. Okay, the rest time we will show the marking result one by one. Now first, let's make the sample of the character.
What will you mark first? Our company's name.
This technology. And we must make the mark center.
What material is it?
Aluminum card. At first, we will find the right focus. For example, choose this one, the waste card, and choose the continual printing, and preview function. When I press the F1, there will be a red box on the card. You will see it obviously. And in the red box, there will be the printing result. Here is the printing range. It will show in the red box. So we will find our printing result easily. Then I press F2. It will begin to print. This is the strongest one.
I can hear the sound.
Yeah, you will hear the sound.
And the light is stronger than yours.
Yeah. So the first mark
we can choose mark one time or continuous marking.
Yeah. And we could also change the size of the character. If it let's show another function, the hinge function. Please acknowledge. And we could also change the hinge parameter. For example, for this one, we could change the line distance on line distance. Now the line distance is 0.03, and we will change it to 0.1. We will get different results.
I found it too.
It's faster. It will be faster. But the printing quality is not as good as the first one. The first marking is very good. Change it to 0.5. What will happen? Zero point five. What's the time?
Huh?
What's the time? And next one. This is the marking we made before. This is the DMB picture. You know who are they?
They are couple.
The couple, you know the name,
I don't know the English name.
you know the Chinese name.
牛郎织女。
That's a story of China. Liu Lang and Zhi Yu.
Every year they can only meet once.
Yeah, they meet once
On the
in 1
break.
year. And the day they meet is lunar date. July 7th. Next week, after we meet, after
will
1 week,
meet.
after 1 week, is the date. So the old man always said, in the night, we could hear they are talking.
Really? I never heard.
Under the tree, in the night, we could hear they are talking.
Have you
in
ever
the
heard
sky.
before?
Mhm.
Have you ever heard that they were talking before?
At that time, I'm just a child.
Uh,
I'm really interested in this. Let me find the email.
welcome the new customers
I like it.
coming into our live stream. If you have any questions, we can leave and we will answer.
Is there any questions?
And one customer wants to see mark on the stainless steel,
Okay.
so we
Later.
can try for you.
Later, we will make it.
Please stay here. We will try for you later.
Change the speed. Very slow. And change the power to 80.
So we can change the watts and the speed.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Mark? A
The
photo.
picture, picture. Not the film.
If the watts is bigger, the light will be stronger.
Yeah.
If the speed is faster, the light will be weaker.
You are right.
Welcome the new friend coming to our live stream.
Okay, if you have any questions, just send us.
If you have any question, please leave here. We will answer.
Yeah. Why so happy?
Because there are new customers come to watch our live stream.
No. Just a be Oh, what's the result?
Bye. Let me check if they have any questions. Our engineer Kevin will answer for you.
Okay.
How long is the warranty?
Just so you have said,
Yes, maybe it's a new customer. He
Yeah.
didn't hear.
2 years. 2
You
years.
have 2 years warranty.
From you place the order, we will calculate and 2 years. But after the warranty, what shall I do?
After the warranty, we will still have a service for them.
That's for sure. Yeah. We will still supply the service, good service to our customer. But if some part damaged, customer has to pay the part. We could also send the part and guide how to install it.
It may take a long time.
Hmm?
It may take a long time.
I think.
They want to know if the light is harmful to the eye.
I don't have any protection.
So there is no any harm.
Yeah.
But actually, we will give our customers a free
Yeah,
glasses.
free glasses. Yeah.
So if you are afraid of the light, you can wear the glasses.
Yeah,
You
it's
don't
in
have-
fact just a small light. A small light. It doesn't have harmful to our eyes.
It's not very strong.
So if you worry about it, you could wear the glasses. Listen.
You have a free. What?
Any questions?
Let me see. Is the software free?
Yeah, software is free for machine.
It's with the machine when you got. Okay. What computer system it can support?
Windows 7, Windows 10, and 11.
All series of Windows system it can support, but not the iOS.
Please speak English.
If I want to mark on the ring, is it okay?
And the ring?
Ring,
Yeah.
where is ring?
It's okay. It's okay.
We need
And just to use the rotator.
a rotator.
You use the rotator.
I will show the customer the rotator. Where? Rotator. Ah, here. Here is the rotator.
Yeah. Very heavy.
It's what's the weight of the rotator?
5 kilograms.
5 kilograms. So there are some different dimensions of the diameter. There is a 80 millimeter, 100 millimeter, and a bigger. So it according to your request, what the size you need. So we will give you a fitable size.
Yeah.
You can fix your ring here, and it will go round and mark.
But this part, Ella, this part we will not use to our customized, not a free part. You will buy a laser marking machine, and then we send the machine with this part.
Yes, if you need, it needs extra payment for the
$200.
200 for the 80 millimeters. We also have other related machines if you need, like the conveyor belt. If you need, we can also offer. Needs extra payment also.
Yeah, you mean the flying laser.
Yes.
They use the conveyor belt, the paper machine, and then they could also customize the conveyor belt
Yes.
for different size, different shape, different height, and different materials.
Yes. the length and the width, we can all customize.
So just send us a requirement.
Yes.
So we can design and make it.
Now we are making a picture. I
Okay.
changed the hand.
It will take too long time.
Yes.
So I will show some finished picture.
Just now there is a customer want to see mark on stainless steel.
But this is too dirty.
We can find a small part.
Small part.
We can mark a very small to show what do you want us to mark.
Okay.
Maybe you can tell us your name or your company's name.
Company name.
If you don't tell us, we will mark our company's name.
Okay.
You can just mark your face on it. I can see there are many different colors of the words. So
Yeah.
what determines the different color?
The frequency.
The frequency.
Yeah.
And the walls also can.
Bring the this and language. I'm gonna try to make it.
It's white.
What color do you need?
So mark white, wrong, black.
Black. Just try it.
It succeeded. There's five. I will show them. Here is the wrong color, right? Just now we marked the white color. You see? White color. So it depends on the speed and the watts you choose. It can have a different effect.
Yeah. If I make the mark on the brush, we'll see what happens. Mark it for several times. Very no cell and mark it for several times and you can find results. Adjust the focus.
We can adjust the height during marking. So it will be different.
Okay. Very hot. And color. Deep color.
Why it's hot? I will show to our customers. See, it's our company's name, Free Technology. Because we mark several times, it's deeper and hot and darker. Can see here. Welcome the new customer. If you have any questions, can leave your questions here, and then we will answer.
Is there any questions?
Let me check. Our workmates are also happy. There's one customer asked, what was the price of different watts?
The supplies of different walls.
Actually, we have 20 watts, 30 watts, 50 watts, and 100 watts.
Yeah.
And if there are different amount of the size you purchase, the price will be different. So if you want to know the exact price, you can ask our other workmates who are working now. So they will answer your question.
Just send us the inquiry.
Yes, just talk with our workmates, they will answer your question. What's the transportation way? How long can I get the machine?
How long? Which one?
He didn't say which one. He just asked how long he can
The
get.
Kia 100 have 50% in IAC. So it will take a long time.
So for PR100, we can only ship by sea, cannot by
It
express,
can be sent by air, but shipping cost is very, very, very high.
because it's heavy.
6 kilograms.
If by express, by air, it will be very, very expensive.
Yeah. So our suggestion is send by sea. Yeah. You'll save the freight for our customer.
So what's your suggestion? Under how many kilograms we can advise our customers to choose this price, or how many kilograms can choose ship?
For these two types, you can send by air. And the total weight is about 40 kilograms. 45, I think. So the shipping cost is not very high. You can send by air price.
So the weight you said is include the
Packing.
wooden package or the box?
Wooden package. We will make sure the safety of our machine. A very expensive machine. Our customer receive it. We will give them a surprise.
So it's more safe than the box package.
Very important. Safety.
No more questions. Oh.
One more question and see.
If you have question, you can leave here and we will answer.
Yeah.
Or what do you want to see to mark?
Which one is most popular? You know?
The 20.
Not 20.
30.
30, yeah. 30 watt. Most popular one is 30 watt.
Most of our
Welcome to
customers,
our evening show.
yeah, welcome.
Lighting show.
Most customers will choose 30 watts, not 20 watts, because 30 watts, the price for 30 watts is only 2 to 300 more than 20 watts, but there are 10 watts more than 20, so it's stronger but not so expensive than 20. That's why most of our customers will choose 30, not 20. Right?
It is with plug-in. Plug-in lights.
20 watts for car. Our engineer Kevin is trying to cut the aluminum part.
Finish. Oh.
It's already cut. Our machine is only, our machine is only 20 watts. Can cut for very thin.
Aluminum
Metal.
part. Yeah. Cut another shape. I think it's very interesting. You blame me.
If you want to cut much thicker metal, you can choose more bigger watts, like 50 watts or 100 watts, so it will cut faster. Sometimes customers will ask to cut metal like 2 millimeters. It's very thick, right? But he doesn't want to pay for the cutting machine because cutting machine is most is 1,000 watts or 2,000 watts. It's very expensive. So they will choose the 50 watts or 100 watts fiber laser marking machine. It's cheaper, but can cut also. So it depends on you. If you don't want to pay more for the cutting machine, so you can choose a high watts fiber laser marking machine. It will be cheaper than cutting machine and can cut also. Once
That's very, very hot.
you can see our test. Kevin tried to cut aluminum part by our 20 watts. By our 20 watts fiber laser marking machine. I see, it's strong enough. What shape? What kind of shape?
Very interesting.
Can you see clear? Let's see. We use the and mine. It's so sharp. It's so sharp.
What did you say?
Why you cut a so sharp shape? See, we only use a 20 watts fiber laser marking machine and cut aluminum part. See?
Okay. Time is limited.
Ah. How time flies, but hour already passed.
Yeah. I forgot what I want to say. Yeah. feel happy with the live broadcast. We meet new friends. So don't worry. Maybe you are not our customer, but must be our friends. If you you have any equipment, you just send us the inquiry. Our best to make you satisfied.
I believe some of you, after watching our live stream, you are already interested in our machines. If you have any questions, just contact us. Hope to cooperate with you.
Okay.
So we will see you next time.
See you next time.
See you, bye bye.
Goodbye.
太搞笑了，咋今天的时间这么漫长呢？这个冷冷的。
这个